You can now install the new Microsoft Copilot app for Mac with unlimited access to Copilot voices and think deeper features. Free users can also take advantage of the latest OpenAI and Microsoft models, including ChatGPT-4o and DALL-E 3, to generate stunning AI images. To use the Copilot AI desktop app, you will need a Mac with an M1 chip or later running macOS 14 Sonoma or newer. To download the Copilot desktop app, launch the App Store, type Microsoft Copilot into the search box, press Enter, click Get, and click Install. Next, enter your email and password and click Sign In. Once the download is complete, click the Spotlight search icon, type in Copilot, then click its name or press Enter on your keyboard to open it. Next, click Continue or Sign in with your Microsoft account. In the following step, enter a name. You can choose anything you like, for example, Curious, and click the arrow. Next, I will listen to 4 voices and choose the one I prefer.
Let's explore the world together. I can be your sounding board as you work through challenges.
I can get philosophical, creative, or poetic if you like. Think of me as your superpower in your pocket.
I can write stories, brainstorm ideas, and I can sound like this if you choose.
As a companion, I learn about you and help unpack your thoughts, from what's for dinner to whatever you're dreaming about.
I choose Grove and click Continue. You can access Copilot by customizing your shortcuts anytime in the setting. Click Continue. In the following step, click Copilot and choose Settings. Here, you can change your language by clicking the arrow and selecting it in the macOS settings. If you need to add more languages, click the plus button and choose one from the list. To find out if Microsoft Copilot currently supports your language, you need to give it a try. To change the Copilot voice to a different one, click the arrow and select your preferred option. If you prefer the day mode for Copilot's appearance, select it from the Options menu. To enable Copilot at login, activate the toggle switch. To quickly access the Copilot chat prompt box, press Option plus space on your Mac keyboard. You can also reposition it as needed. To change the keyboard shortcut, click this box and enter your preferred shortcut. If you wish to send feedback to Microsoft, click the arrow, enter your feedback, attach an image if needed, and click Submit Feedback. To learn more about Copilot, click this arrow. Let's experiment with the Copilot app using the prompt. Translate the following text into Japanese, Farsi, German, French, and Filipino. All visitors are required to show their employees' IDs before entering the conference hall. As you can see, Copilot translated my prompt into 5 languages. You can add more languages if you wish. Next, I will ask Copilot to summarize the following text. Let's now ask it to proofread the following text. There are 10 mistakes in this text. Let's see if Copilot can find all of them. Copilot has identified the mistakes and corrected them. To use the voice and think deeper features for a more complex interaction, you may need to sign in.
Hey there. How's your day going? And what should I call you?
Next, I will drag an image into the Copilot prompt box and ask it to generate a story based on the image. Compose a 200-word travel story based on the image for intermediate level ESL students. Copilot created a nice story inspired by the image.
If you like this video, make sure to subscribe and ring the bell for more. Thank you.
Let's ask it to generate an image. Generate a photo of an elderly man waiting for the train on the platform on a snowy day. If you like the photo, click the arrow to download it. This time, I will use the mic to ask a question.
I'm ready when you are.
I want to buy a MacBook, but I am unsure whether to choose a MacBook Air or a MacBook Pro M3. Please tell me the pros and cons of each.
All right, MacBook Air. Light, portable, great for everyday tasks, and has a silent, fanless design. Cons? Less powerful for intense workloads like heavy video editing. MacBook Pro M3. More power for professional tasks and has a longer battery life. But it's heavier and pricier. Depends on your needs.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome.
To delete your chats, click the sidebar icon in the top left corner. Control-click or right-click on the item you want to delete. To confirm your action, click Delete again. I hope you learned something new today. If you did, please consider subscribing by clicking on my profile picture and sharing the video links with your friends. Your support will inspire me to create more videos for you. Thank you for watching.